Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's 13 days of Halloween, I'm doing Poison Ivy. I already have on my foundation and concealer, and I did add a little bit of bronzer and blush. Now I'm just taking a green eyeshadow. I'm going to contour my cheeks and my nose. So this is actually my second time filming this look and my third attempt on this eyeshadow, and it still isn't going like I wanted it to. I wanted to do a brown color, but it's turning out a little more red than I wanted, but I'm just going with it. So I decided to just do a smoky eye, so I'm starting with lighter colors. I'm going to do a darker in the crease and do black on my eyelid. I went ahead and put black eyeliner on my lower waterline. Now I'm just taking my same crease color and making sure there's no harsh lines where I put the black. And then using that same black eyeshadow, I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. It looks so weird without my eyebrows on because I always do my eyebrows before I put on my eyeshadow, but you're not going to see them for this look. But now I'm just adding some mascara before I put on my false lashes, and I did decide to add some highlighter, and I'm using one of the green highlighters from an Anastasia Glow Kit. And now I'm just applying some red lipstick, and then I will attach my eyepieces that I made. I just found a template on Pinterest by typing in Poison Ivy mask. It says to use felt, but I used some leaves and then just glued them together with hot glue, and then I attached them to my face using lash glue. You can use that or spirit gum, which you can find at any Halloween store. But that will complete this look. I really hope that y'all liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my last Halloween look. And don't forget to tag me if you recreate any of these looks, that way I can see it and I can share it. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.